A friendship is not truly strong until it survives the moment it almost breaks. In the quiet village of Ashford Valley, 3 friends were known as the Unshakable Three. Liam, thoughtful and steady. Mason, brave and outspoken. And Oliver, warm-hearted and wise beyond his years. They were not brothers by blood, but by choice. They grew up sharing the same dreams, the same struggles, and the same small wooden bench near the river where they promised, "Nothing will ever come between us." For years, nothing did. They worked side by side in their family farms. When one struggled, the other stepped in. When one celebrated, all 3 celebrated. The village admired their bond. People often said, if you see one, the other 2 won't be far behind. But one summer changed everything. A property developer from the city visited Ashford Valley. He wanted to buy the land that belonged jointly to the 3 friends, fertile land passed down through their families. The offer was tempting. It was enough money to change their lives. Instead of meeting them together, the developer spoke to each friend privately. To Liam, he said, "You're smart. You could invest this money and build something greater." To Mason, he said, "You're meant for bigger things than farm work." To Oliver, he whispered, "Sometimes loyalty holds people back from success." When Liam brought up the offer, Mason accused him of caring more about money than memories. Oliver stayed quiet, unsure what was right. His silence felt like betrayal. Words became arguments. Arguments became distance. Within days, they stopped meeting at the river bench. The village felt different without their laughter. An elderly man named Mr. Rowan, who had watched them grow up, invited them to his porch one evening. They arrived separately, standing apart. Without speaking much, Mr. Rowan placed 3 candles on the table. He lit one candle and asked Mason to blow on it. It went out instantly. Then he lit all 3 candles and pushed them close together. "Now try," he said. Mason blew again. The flames flickered but stayed alive, protected by each other. Mr. Rowan looked at them gently. A single flame is easy to destroy. But together, even the wind struggles. Silence filled the air. "You let doubt enter where trust once lived," the old man continued. The offer wasn't the real danger. The real danger was believing the worst about each other without talking first. Liam looked at Mason. "I never wanted to leave you behind." Mason sighed. "I thought you were choosing money over us." Oliver finally spoke. "And I was afraid to speak honestly." That night, they walked back to the river bench together for the first time in weeks. They talked openly about dreams, fears, and misunderstandings. By morning, their decision was clear. They refused the offer. Years later, Ashford Valley changed in many ways, but one thing remained the same: the Unshakable Three. Not because they never disagreed again, but because they learned that honest conversation is stronger than pride. Moral of the story: true friendship is not about never fighting, it is about choosing each other even when misunderstanding tries to pull you apart.